Alright, this is Jeremy with Beyond Backyard Customs. My father. This is my new hypertherm Power Max 45 XP. We're about to unbox it, see what it comes with. Just got this thing, super excited to use it and see how it's going to cut. Let's start unboxing. First off, this is one, and the book. We've got a Bible, got the round table, and I went ahead and bought a bunch of tips, electrodes, because that's what you're going to burn up anyway.
And these come with it.
Got a little starter pack with you that comes with it. The sheet just tells you what's in it. Now time for the big box. Power goes. It's already attached. And out she comes. About a 10-foot or so power cord.
With a 20-foot lead.
Got your water separator down here. Nice logo on the side. And there it is. Easy to set up. Everything's pretty much plug and play. That's it.